Oh yes, I go by the name Symphonic.
DJ,
Mr. DJ.
of course.
Oh yes, we're in the room. Oh yes, welcome, welcome,
Welcome,
welcome,
Symphonic Studios.
welcome to the Symphonic Studios. Today's guys is nothing too much, simple.
Mr. DJ,
You know Mr. DJ.
of course.
Yes, you know the DJ. Exactly. Today I'm about to actually this is our third episode. Oh my god. Oh, we should be celebrating. We're about to hit the fifth one.
Perfect.
Oh yes. Okay. You're welcome guys, you're welcome. Today it's all about chords.
Simple.
Yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys how to handle quick one, right?
Of course.
Yeah, how to lace quick chords. Yeah. Okay, let's just jump in one time. Okay, if you're new on my channel, you warm welcome to ask anything on the comment section.
Of course.
Anything, you're welcome. The only thing you just need to do, just hit that subscribe button and that like button, then that's it. Doesn't require you to do much, only that button. All right. Okay guys, let's just go. All right, here I'm just having rods, as you know, simple.
Of course.
I don't like too much fancy plugins guys, but yeah, I use them. But this one is the fruity plugin, is the FL Studio plugin. Let's just jump straight guys. Okay, piano roll. Guys, this is for those young kings of mine who don't have proper equipment for their studios, who don't have MIDI keyboards, right? But we love music. All of us, we love music. Surely we wish to have everything in our studio, right?
Of course.
So yeah, this is for the ones who likely to be a beginners, right? If you have your MIDI keyboard, then you know how to play. You can just, no need to say. But yeah, this is for the beginners guys, or maybe for anyone who just willing to know how to make a chord progression through FL Studio. Okay, let's just handle. Okay, which key should we go for? Having E. Okay, let's play via 5, below 5. Okay. Alright. Let me take that volume down. I like G. Okay, let's go with G. Okay, first thing first, I press this key. The trick is here. I always tell my mind to say it's 2-3. 2-3. If I say 2-3, you just lace a key, then jump two keys. 1, this is 2, then I lace here. Then I have to say 2-3, right? This is a 2 space. I have to create 3 spaces here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then I have to stay here. Let's listen that we don't have any chord here. Wow. Okay, let me take this one, the lower one, the one that I started with. Let me just clone it downwards. Okay, perfect. Okay,
Perfect.
this is our first chord. How can we create our second chord? Okay, to make it easy, just make sure you don't quickly rush to be on these spaces. Space number 2 and space number 3 and space number 4. Always create your thing just right here on space number 1. Then after you're done, then you hear that everything is proper here. You can just make any scale or maybe any sequence that you like using the chords that you already created on the space, right?
Perfect.
Okay, got it. Okay, perfect. So the next thing we're gonna try to figure out what is the next key for us, and bear it on your mind each and every time when you're about to create a chord. Make sure you're having 2 to 3 chords, right? 2 to 3 chords.
Of course.
Perfect. All right, let's try to handle the second one. Already we're having the first one. All right, okay, that means let's look for the second one. Okay, what are we doing? Should we go up or should we go? Let's go down. Okay. Right, sound nice?
Perfect.
Okay, perfect. Let's try to build this thing. Okay, because we already started with the high note, then the second one, of which the second one is gonna build the second chord. I always notice, or maybe the way I play chords, if I play the second one, if it's lower than the first one, that means the second one, if I'm trying to build, I must start with the sequence, not 2 to 3. I must say 3 to 2.
Simple.
That's how I figured it out. For the first chord, I said 2, 3. So now I'm about to say 3, 2, right? Because the second chord starts lower than the first chord. Okay, let's try to do this thing. Okay, let me say 3. Okay, 3 spaces, 3, 2. Okay. Perfect.
Dangerous.
That's super perfect. Okay, let's try to figure out the third chord. Okay, of which we said it's this one, right? We said do, of which this is gonna be the third chord for us. Okay, let's try to list the third chord.
Of course.
As you can see, the same sequence I was telling you about here, it's happening now. The second one, it's the second one now. Because the third chord to play is lower than the second chord, that means I need to use the same strategy I've used here, just to say 3, 2. I can't say 2, 3, because if I say 2, 3, already the chord is low. That means if I say 2, 3, that means the chord is gonna be very low, but we're looking for it to link with the second one. Let's try to handle, if we're using this strategy to the third chord, if it will work or not. You hear? Doesn't work properly. That means we need to use which strategy? This one, the second one. That means we say 3, 2, 3, 2. Let's hear. Perfect.
Dangerous.
Do you understand? Do you understand? Simple, very simple, guys. Simple. 2, 3. Bear it in your mind. 2, 3. Do you understand? Simple. Now, because now you have your chords, you wanna arrange them in a proper way. That means, let's say, now you wanna stretch your chords rightly. Okay. Now you start to stretch your chords. Then start to stretch your chords. You understand? That means okay, let's move this one. Let's move again. You understand? Now you can even duplicate these chords. Alright. Right? Now guys, you have your chords. Okay, to make them tense, let's copy the lower keys, the one we've been working with. Right? We're copying them. Right?
Of course.
We're copying them now. Right? And listen. Right?
Perfect.
Perfect. Nothing to stress. Then let me give you the most nice and smooth parts. I know these things you've been noticing, or maybe you know it before, but maybe you forgot, or maybe you never thought it's working very nice. Let me teach you something. There's this thing called strum. If you strum the keys, that means you give it a little bit stretch, right? Even the strum can give a little bit feel like the keys have been played, maybe like hands through the keyboard. It's giving that much feel, right? Not too much, but it does give that feel. Let's try it. You see, I've already strummed my keys. Let's reset these things. Okay.
Perfect.
Right. This is my velocity. If you're talking about the velocity, we're talking about these things. Playing with the velocity. Then time, that means how will you wish this key can hit the timing, the bars. Alright, let's start with the time first. Okay, let's give it a touch. Now we have to play with the velocity, so it's gonna be nice, right? If we stretch it to the left side, that means we're making the upper keys to be dominant. If we stretch it to the right side, that means the lower keys must be dominant, right?
Of course.
Okay, so let's try to be like this. Nice. Do you feel?
Perfect.
Do you feel? Ha!
Of course.
This is becoming some proper keys. Okay, perfect. Very perfect.
Dangerous.
Okay, now we are about to give it a sauce. We need to give it a sauce, right?
Of course.
So to give it a sauce, don't panic too much.
Simple
is here.
DJ.
Mr. DJ is here for you. I'm not gonna take too long, Simple. Okay, let's just go straight. Right, can you focus on this bar first to give it some small sauce? Alright, let's go. You need to know what sauce you wanna add, right? Okay, but you must figure it out on these keys first. Okay, let's cut this one and this one. Okay, wait. Do you understand? Okay. Okay.
Perfect.
Wait, we're still playing. We're just chopping, guys, and taking the same chords, taking them up, transpose them up, then delay them. Right.
Never miss.
Which one is this one now? You can play now, whatever you want to do. You can just simply play.
Simple.
You understand? Do you understand? Now you play with your velocities. You understand? You do whatever that takes you to do. Now you have keys. You understand? You have the keys. You have the choices to do whatever you wanna do.
Of course.
Right. This is roughly, guys. It's not about something that's very serious. You must pay to the man. This is roughly. I'm trying to show you the trick way to do any keys. Right? Simple. take these ones and copy them there. Please, I want please. You can do whatever you want to do. The FL Studio is waiting for you to do something. Blue. You understand? You playing, bro. You playing. You must play, bro. You must do whatever it takes you. You understand? Blue. You can even chop here. You understand? You have to play based on the mind that you play. That's it. As simple as that. Then you're gonna do whatever on your mixer. Give it a touch of maybe a revamp. You understand? You're gonna do whatever that's gonna take you to do. You understand? Whatever. Can even add another keys. Use FL Studio packs. Okay, instrumentals. Wait, who said come here? I need to be here. Yes. Let's use this close one. Okay. Simple, guys. Very simple, guys. Very simple.
Simple.
And you must take the volume down. You wanna test your things, bro. Right? Then you take them up. Simple.
Mr. DJ.
Understand? You're just playing. You're telling yourself that you play, not unless. I don't know. You understand? You can do whatever. Simple, guys. Then you're done.
Perfect.
As quickly, as much as that, as simple as that.
Of course.
Thank you for watching. I hope you did learn something. Drop anything, any comment, tell me, let me know what you want me to do next. Most welcome. Thank you.